na naman kami sa Tam-Awan Village. Isa sa mga tourist spot ng Baguio City, guys.
A few moments later.
Ito, akit kami sa hagdan. May entrance dito siya, guys. Si Kevin. Nauna na. May pintura. What about there?
I think this is just that bit you call where you're supposed to get around that side.
Tam-Awan Village.
Look at him.
Ang bantay nila, oh. Putotoy, guys. Laki, oh. Natawa si Kevin.
One eternity later.
Hindi ko daw pwede gawin sa kanya yan, sabi niya. Ay! Hindi daw pwede gawin. Puro bato siya. Nakaka... Ito yung mga, isa sa mga tourist spot ng Baguio na hindi namin napuntahan nung last 2 years ago. Ah, wishing well. There's a fish. May isda rito, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Maganda siya. Ayan, oh.
You've got to watch snakes.
Sometimes. Yeah, this is forest. This is... Come here, we're...
Right, we're going to go up there.
There. Let's go here.
You missed this out.
May akyatan sila. Oh my God.
Which
Can
one
take
is it?
this. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam nito, let's go here, baby. It's a braids.
That just goes round there.
Here. Paikot-ikot lang naman siya, eh. Ayan, oh. Ikot-ikot siya kung gusto mo umikot. Yan. Gusto mong tumulay.
Mulai.
Tumulay.
Mulai.
Sit down here. Sit down, babe. Are you tired?
A bit.
Huh?
A bit.
A bit. Are you hungry?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I've enjoyed my warm bread this morning.
Loko-loko. May tulay siya, guys.
Meanwhile.
makikita nyo dito guys, maganda siya talaga. Maliit lang siya na place pero paikot-ikot lang, maganda. Talagang maano mo siya, talagang organic place. Yan, ito yung kanilang maliit na fish pond. Ayan o. Ayun, kawayan yung braids nila, ang cute. Gahanap si Kevin ng ahas dito, guys. Gahanap siya ng snake. Pag nakakita ng snake to, siguro kuripas ng takbo tong kalbo na to. Ng mga halaman nila. Fresh na fresh. Skating area. Sketching area.
You have to go down that way, right?
Okay. Pahirapan ng baba.
Iba. Pero isa sa kilala ko na artist.
Ganda. Sketching area. Pwede ka magpa-pick ano pala rito, magpa charcoal. Ayun, ang ganda ng obra, oh. Yay, ano ba yan? Tingnan mo talaga ang obrang Pinoy, guys. Ulo ng ano? Ulo ng kalabaw ba to? Kalabaw.
Ha?
Pati upuan nila. Cute. Yay!
Dali na natin. Takay na tayo. Taxi. Takay na tayo dito. Uwi na tayo.
Iti. May itir niya mga igorot.
Takay na tayo. Taxi.
Ayun kami dito yan sa wawakat. Michael.
Oh.
Sama na kayo dito yan.
Sasama ka?
Yes.
Ito yung maliit na mga tinda ng mga souvenirs nila. Gusto niyo bumili? Ayan, ito. What's your step? Oh my God!
Slippy, eh?
Yes. Watch your steps.
Yeah, that's where I'm holding it. That's why there's a big disclaimer when you walk in. If you slip and get hurt, you call claim. Some bloody snakes.
Come on. You can pass it there.
Fish! Fish!
Kami nang galing sa baba. Gubat siya talaga. Pero ginawa nilang pasyalan. Daming salamin dito, guys, oh. Tao po, please do not disturb. Please do not disturb.
Where were you going now?
There, upstairs. Braids. Braids. Occupied. Please do not disturb. Oh my God.
Very big, nice, and people are living in that. Gazebo. Coming up here.
Ang hirap akyatin nito, ha? Kakahingal. To Dreamcatcher. I think we have been there, babe. Come on.
A few moments later.
Pahinga muna kami. Hingal match. Ito sa Kamalig. Occupied na namin to, guys, so kaya occupied. Please do not disturb.
Garden in the sky. The garden in the sky.
Where?
That's what it says there. Garden in the sky.
Garden in the sky. Do not enter. Do not enter. Come on. Let's go back. May bantay sila, guys, ito. Occupied lahat, oh.
We're going swimming after.
Yes.
Oh, I can't wait to diving up there.
We can tour after we tour.
I know. So much
What is
snow.
this? It's
Toilet.
Toilet. And to make tea.
Nah, I'm alright.
Cute ng toilet nila rito. Restroom. Do you want to eat here, babe?
Big one. No, that's all. Just waiting for it.
Cute ng mga painting nila. Cute ng mga painting ng mga igorota. Let's eat here, babe. You can eat here.
No. I don't hungry.
I'm hungry now.
Can I eat at the next place?
Cute na ano nila, restaurant, Nayan Gallery.
Chicken. Yung
Ito
pinagpapaluto
yung mga
hanggang lumambot.
obra ng mga igorot.
Pinakot na yun.
Ayun sa driver, mga mayayaman na rin yung mga igorot guys. Tingnan mo nga naman, no?
Sulod sa may, sa unang pinakul, sulod sa may ano, hidran, sa may pasong kawayan, parang ano. Yan, sa kawayan, ginadaha. Ano, may? Kalayuan mo lang.
Village Gallery. Cute ng mga obra nila.
Lucky, lucky.
Wala sa akin yung
Uy, pipi. Galing.
Yan, maguluman, matingnan, pero cute.
Picture, picture. Picture, picture. Kasama.
Iba rin sa palucci.